guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your friend Jenny, guys. So you may see my latest video with my sister Sana unboxing princess box. So today is also not about princess box but unboxing unicorn pencil case. Oh guys, I'm very excited to unbox it. So I have bought a pencil box, that is pencil case, that is unicorn pencil case. So I'm having over here. So let me show you. Ta-da! This is my pencil box, guys. Yeah, it's pencil case, and it was amazing pencil case. You can just see that with unicorns and like a mermaid thing. It was amazing, guys. So today we are going to unbox it. Come, let's go. So guys, so this is a pouch. Wow, guys, it is so amazing. You can see with like mermaid. Unicorn is here, and this is a new box. What do you say about this, Sana?
This is too amazing. It is looking like a mermaid's tail and a unicorn sticker in like a middle.
Yeah, so we want to open this. So we have like this.
Okay, now we are going to open this.
Oh, so first of all, what is this? We have a glitter like, what's this? Diary, mini diary. Wow.
To write the notes.
Happiness diary. Yeah, it's too good. Yeah, how you feel about this?
Wow.
Yeah.
It's amazing, and see, it has some pages to write any important things.
Yeah, we have date also. We have. Yeah, it is too good. So now let's take the pouch.
Hey, see this.
Yeah, this is a pouch. Okay.
This is actually in a purple color.
So this is the pouch which is in. I have chosen violet color. That is thing. So now I'm going to turn it. Wow. So here we have a magic. What's that? We want to move like this. Oh, the unicorn strangers. Sana, you can do also. See there.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's too cool. Then you can choose the sticker what you need.
Yeah, we can just choose double like stickers to the school for one day this and one day that. So we can just say we have two and yeah. And even though we can just change it again. Yeah, like
because the purple one is nice.
Yes. Yeah, purple. Even though blue is also nice. Oh, wow. So now we want to open the zip. So wait, let me open. No, yeah. Sana, open this zip. Let me hold this.
Oh.
Okay.
Be careful because of this new pouch.
Yeah. So we have harder zips over here. You can just see. So now let's open this. Wow. So we have a zip over here. We can just keep it. And we can keep anything over here.
Yeah,
inside.
markers and crayons.
Yeah, we can just place a pen.
And scissors.
Oh. So we can just keep it
And
inside.
this is something anything like worksheets, sticky notes and something else.
Yeah, I love this picture. It was amazing, nah?
Yeah.
Yeah, really. You can just write some names over here. So guys, you may see that how to unbox it and whatever to be keep whatever. And I'm saying this box is so amazing, guys. So I love this box very much. And I'm going to keep for a longer time. Thank you for watching this video, guys.